Hey everyone, I'm going to be opening up some wonderdough that's pink and green, like a light red pink or hot pink, something like that, and some red Play-Doh, light red Play-Doh, and some of my homemade slime. It's actually really like velvet, like a violet purple, so let's open up the wonderdough. That's what it looks like. It looks pretty rough. I just need to do it. Open it up. I'm trying. It's really hard to get out. It's like stick. That's how much I got out, guys. That's how much I got out. So not that much. Okay, I'm just gonna try to get out the most, like the rest of it. Okay. It sounds like foam. And it has this little separator in the middle so they won't get mixed up together, because I don't want them to get mixed up together. Yeah, I just don't for some reason. I just don't. Okay. I know. This is a lot more to go. So much to go. So I'll be showing you guys once I'm all done getting this out, because I just can't get this out. So like stick, and some of it got mixed in with this pink, but like little specks of it. So I'm pretty sure it should be fine now. Okay, I looked outside because it's a beautiful day but really windy. Okay guys, so I will be I will be right back out. Okay, let me get this. Okay, so I will be right back once I'm all done getting all of it. All of it in 3, 2, 1. Guys, I'm all done getting it out. And it feels like really cool. It's stretchy as slime. And I just love it. It feels like just squishy. Just gonna stretch it out. This is how much I got at. That pink looks so like orange. It's a really pretty pink though. So let's get out the pink now. Okay. No. My green got stuck in the pink. I'm trying to get out much green as I can. I don't even know how to get. I should have got this pink out, because this one's really difficult. Really stuck. It's not sticky or nothing. It's just stuck on. Trust me guys, you don't want to feel this. Well, it feels pretty cool. It has a nice texture. It pretty much feels like really soft. Like it feels like dolphin skin. No, I'm just kidding. It feels like so much better than the green one, because the green one, I didn't like it. I don't like how the green one feels. They actually mostly they mostly have like the same textures. So someone's talking about me. Okay. So like I said, I'm trying to get all of it out as possible, because it's just, ow, my earring. It's just like not coming out. Okay. It's literally like not even coming out. I'm trying to get as much out, but it's not working. Okay guys, I'm just gonna be right back. Oh no, got hair in it. I'm gonna be right back once I'm all done with the, let me say, taking out this Wonder Dough. You guys should get this Wonder Dough, because it's like so awesome. And I don't know if I will be making a video on this camera next weekend, or if I come out here again, or not. But I will try to film. Because I just did. So I'll be right back once I'm all done getting everything out and finished with taking out the Wonder Dough. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm all done, guys. Here it is. It feels like the pink has more. This does not feel like Play-Doh slime. It feels like really smooth. Ah, I got it stuck together. Okay. It's like, it feels like quicksand or something, but it's not. It's like quicksand. It feels like quicksand, but in like sticking together. That's what it feels like. Because it doesn't feel like any normal thing. It feels cool, and it feels. I think I like this Wonder Dough better than the slimes, but slime's way more fun, sort of, because you can make a bunch of it and you don't even get the ingredients to make this. And I was like wondering how I could make this, and I'm not sure. And I'm gonna put it all back in. Okay? Is that okay? Yes. Bye-bye. Okay guys, I put it all back in. It's all back in the container. all of it's all back in the container. Now, this is the Play-Doh. I don't even feel like playing with it. Here is the slime. I cannot open it. I'll play it with a little bit. This was made with my clear slime, and I added neon, a color pink to it, and it turned out as like a really pretty purple, I think. So I really love this wonderdough. It's like so amazing, guys. In case you get it. It goes in my little Minnie Mouse bag. My 3 slimes go in here. It's really big in there for all 3 of them. I also got other things in there that I can travel around with. And I've got my little spoon. This spoon, a plastic one, to in this pocket. This pocket. So, yeah. It goes in my big bag. It goes in my big bag. Oh, my foot's tingling. But anyways, guys, give this video a thumbs up. And if you don't like the video, give it a thumbs down. But I would love to see thumbs up because, I don't know. Don't forget to subscribe and comment down below what I should do next. But anyways, peace out. Wait, one more thing. I need to get at least like like 1,200 subscribers, and then I will do, and then I will go to the pool or something, or you guys get to choose what I'm gonna do. If I get 2,000 subscribers, 1,002 subscribers, okay? Not 1,200. So that's only if I'm filming most of the time. So I don't know why I'm leaning on this, but I'm just leaning on that. Mom, baby. So then, I guess I better go. So, bye.